So I just picked up this iPhone 17 Pro Max case. I wanted to make sure that I didn't drop it because the last thing I want to do is to damage this brand new phone. So I picked this case here because not only does it come with the case, but it also comes with the camera protector here for along the back side of the cell phone. So you'll have protection of the camera and the actual phone itself. This has a really nice texture along the sides here. It does have the buttons here that you can press while the case is on the cell phone, and it is a MagSafe compatible charger. So you can go ahead and put this on your cell phone and still be able to charge it and still have it be attached. You can see the case is malleable, which is great, but it is durable. This is good for up to about 10 feet. So to go ahead and put this on, you can see that just slipping it on, it fits perfectly. You can see that the case does give some space for the top part, so if you wanted to put a screen protector on the front, you could. Down here along the sides, you still have access to the camera buttons, and then you can still press the other buttons here along the side too as well to have it work. I like the texture of it. You've got some raised edges here, so that way it gives you some nice tactile or some nice feeling here for your fingers. And I like the design. It's really kind of sleek looking. If I had the orange phone too, it'd also look great, but I've got the blue one here. It looks fine. So now to take your phone out, just pop it right out, and it comes out really easy. Now to put the cell phone cover on here, what they're going to recommend is that you just clean off the area before you go ahead and put it on. Everything comes in this one bag. So you've got your wet wipe, your dry wipe, and then your dust absorber as well too. And you also have some guide stickers too as well. Clean this off, grab the wipe, make sure it's nice and clean. Next, we'll go ahead and dry it off. Now that that's done, you can go ahead and use this to get off any dust that might be on there, any hair, anything like that. Then we have the actual lens right here, and it goes just right on top. And you can see the camera still works perfectly, even though we've got that lens on there. And if you see any bubbles here, these will go as time goes on. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this case. I like the looks of it a lot. I like the feel, the texture. The fact that it comes with the back screen too for the camera for protection is fantastic. I mean, I love that a lot. So if you're looking for a case, I would definitely say check this out.